Tired of competing in oversaturated markets? Imagine discovering unique business ideas with little to no competition. Stick around, because today I'm revealing 15 innovative business opportunities that could make you a pioneer in your field. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a goldmine of business ideas that are fresh, innovative, and have minimal competition. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to break away from crowded markets, this video is for you. We'll explore a variety of niches, from eco-friendly services to high-tech innovations, all designed to give you a competitive edge. So grab a notebook and get ready to be inspired. Also, the first comment has an Amazon link to the ultimate guide to making money with Apple Vision Pro. Master remote freelancing with 9 simple methods and boost your productivity using the technology of the future. Make sure to check it out. Now let's dive into the top 20 ways to make money online. 15. Custom biodegradable packaging solutions. To execute a business in this sector, start by conducting extensive research and development to identify and experiment with materials that are biodegradable and suitable for various packaging needs. Collaborate with manufacturers who specialize in these materials to ensure you can deliver high-quality products. Perform a thorough market analysis to identify potential clients, such as eco-conscious brands and small businesses, and develop a strong brand that emphasizes sustainability. Create a comprehensive marketing strategy to reach your target audience, and establish online and offline distribution channels to facilitate sales. 14. Pet genetic testing kits. To launch this business, partner with veterinary geneticists to develop accurate and reliable testing methods. Design user-friendly testing kits and establish a system for processing and analyzing samples. Ensure your operations comply with regulations regarding animal testing and data privacy. Educate pet owners about the benefits of genetic testing through social media, blogs, and partnerships with pet stores. Set up an e-commerce platform to facilitate sales and consider collaborations with veterinary clinics to reach a broader audience. 13. Virtual reality therapy for anxiety and phobias. Start a virtual reality therapy business by collaborating with psychologists and VR developers to create immersive therapeutic programs designed to help individuals overcome anxiety and phobias. Conduct clinical trials to test the effectiveness of your VR therapy. Establish partnerships with mental health professionals and clinics to offer your product and create content to educate people on the benefits of VR therapy for mental health. Distribute your product through your website and VR hardware platforms to reach a wide audience. 12. Mobile solar panel installation service. Acquire technical knowledge in solar panel technology and installation. Obtain the necessary licenses and certifications for solar installations. Invest in a vehicle equipped with the tools and equipment needed for mobile installations. Promote your services to RV owners, boat owners, and remote property owners through digital marketing. Provide excellent customer support and after-installation services to build a loyal customer base and ensure the longevity of your business. 11. Personalized nutrition plans based on DNA analysis. Begin by partnering with genetic testing labs to analyze DNA samples and work with nutritionists to create personalized nutrition plans based on genetic results. Develop an online platform where customers can order tests and receive their tailored plans. Use social media, influencers, and health blogs to educate your target audience about the benefits of personalized nutrition. Offer consultations and ongoing support to help customers follow their plans and achieve their health goals, fostering customer loyalty and satisfaction. 10. Smart home gym equipment rental. Start by selecting gym equipment with AI and virtual class capabilities. Develop a rental model that includes delivery, maintenance, and support services. Target fitness enthusiasts and those who prefer home workouts through digital marketing campaigns. Establish a logistics system for delivering and retrieving equipment efficiently. Provide exceptional customer service and support to help customers make the most of their rentals, ensuring high customer satisfaction and retention. 9. Eco-friendly funeral services. Launch by researching green burial options and materials. Ensure your services comply with local laws and regulations. Partner with cemeteries and suppliers of biodegradable materials to offer comprehensive green burial options. Highlight the environmental benefits of your services in your marketing campaigns to attract eco-conscious customers. Offer compassionate and personalized service to grieving families, emphasizing the unique and environmentally friendly aspects of your offerings. 8. Digital detox retreats. To establish digital detox retreats, find serene locations suitable for retreat activities and plan a variety of activities that promote relaxation, mindfulness, and creativity without the use of technology. Collaborate with wellness experts, yoga instructors, and chefs to offer a holistic experience. Promote your retreats through wellness blogs, social media, and influencers to reach your target audience. Set up an online booking system with clear information on retreat packages, and provide a memorable and rejuvenating experience for participants. 7. Urban rooftop farming consultancy. Start by gaining expertise in urban farming techniques and developing a range of consulting services tailored to different types of buildings. Showcase successful rooftop farms as case studies to attract clients. Target urban developers, building owners, and city councils through marketing efforts. Provide ongoing support and maintenance services for clients to ensure the success and productivity of their rooftop farms, contributing to urban sustainability and food security. 6. Subscription-based plant care packages. To start, source high-quality plants and care supplies. Develop a subscription model with different tiers based on customer needs and create detailed care guides and educational content. Use social media, gardening blogs, and partnerships with influencers to reach your audience. Offer excellent customer support and engagement to retain subscribers and build a loyal customer base. Continuously innovate and improve your offerings to keep subscribers satisfied and engaged. 5. Artisan Water Bar. Launch by sourcing premium and infused waters and finding a prime location with high foot traffic. Develop a unique brand that emphasizes luxury and health, and create a diverse menu with various water options. Promote your bar through social media, local influencers, and events to attract health-conscious and luxury-seeking customers. Focus on creating an exceptional customer experience to ensure repeat business and positive word of mouth. 4. AI-powered personal finance assistant. To develop this idea, work with AI developers to create the technology and ensure your service complies with financial regulations. Design a user-friendly interface for the assistant and promote it through financial blogs, social media, and partnerships with financial advisors. Provide comprehensive support to help users make the most of the assistant, offering personalized financial advice, budgeting tips, and investment strategies tailored to individual financial goals and situations. Before we continue, remember we are here to help you. From achieving financial freedom in 5 years, to how to save money like the rich. We have a bit for everyone. Now let's dive back in. 3. Customize 3-dimensional printed prosthetics for pets. Start this business by gaining expertise in 3-dimensional printing and prosthetic design. Partner with veterinarians to reach pet owners and create customizable, comfortable prosthetic designs. Use pet-related blogs, social media, and veterinary clinics to market your services. Offer personalized fittings and ongoing support for pet owners to ensure the prosthetics meet their pets' needs and provide a better quality of life for the animals. 2. Interactive storytelling apps for children. Develop this business idea by working with app developers and storytellers to create engaging and educational content. Partner with educators to ensure the content aligns with educational standards and promotes learning. Promote the app through parenting blogs, social media, and partnerships with schools. Focus on creating an intuitive and fun user experience to keep children engaged and parents satisfied. Continuously gather and implement feedback to improve the app and add new features. 1. Eco-friendly personal care products for men. Launch a line by sourcing natural and sustainable ingredients. Develop a brand that resonates with environmentally conscious men and create a range of products, including skincare, hair care, and grooming items. Use social media, influencers, and eco-friendly blogs to reach your target audience. Sell your products through your website, eco-friendly stores, and online marketplaces. Focus on providing high-quality products and excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. And there you have it, 15 business ideas with little to no competition. Each of these concepts offers a unique opportunity to stand out and make a mark in a relatively untapped market. Drop in the comments which one was your favorite or which one you think has the most potential. Also, remember the first comment has an Amazon link to The Ultimate Guide to Making Money with Apple Vision Pro Master Remote Freelancing with 9 simple methods and boost your productivity using the technology of the future. Make sure to check it out. Before leaving, did you already subscribe? Do you not want to achieve financial freedom in 5 years or learn how to master your budget and stop leaks? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.